Well, we're at the boat ramp. Boat is off the trailer and we just finished up a heck of a project. It's always good to put the bow tie on the thing. We got rid of these old, nasty, carpet-covered, waterlogged bunk boards. The boat came out of the water an hour ago. These things are still soaking wet. And we upgraded to some truck bed lined, pressure-treated wood with some HDP E-slicks on there. This thing is looking awesome. Can't wait to put the boat on the trailer. We do have a full YouTube video covering the project, so make sure you check it out. Hasn't released yet, but we'll get to it soon.